Hello everyone. Recently I traveled from Newcastle to Bengaluru through via Heathrow, London. So I'm sharing my experience so that what are the processes that are required to be done before boarding the flight. I traveled in British Airways. So now let's see what has to be done before traveling. First and the most important thing is uh, one has to confirm the flight ticket. So make sure that it has been confirmed and the flight is on time because of the COVID-19 most of the flights have been rescheduled very frequently. So it's an important point to be noted. The next thing is one has to have the RT-PCR COVID-19 negative test report before boarding the flight. This test has to be done not more than 72 hours before the boarding time. Also, this test has to be done at a private center because NHS won't be performing the COVID-19 tests for the travelers. I did my COVID-19 test at the in-store COVID-19 PCR testing service provided by the Boots Pharmacy, and it costed me around £120. Look for a Boots Pharmacy in-store testing facility in your area, and by visiting the Boots website, book an appointment and choose the time slot that is convenient for you. Upon confirmation, you will receive an email through which you need to register and do the payment. Once you have the COVID negative test report, make sure you download and print out the passenger information and declaration form, and these forms can be downloaded from the link that is provided in the description below. Once the forms have been filled out, you scan them and send them to the respective emails of your destination. The next thing you have to do is to visit the Air Suvidha website where you have to fill an online form, and before filling make sure that you have the seat number and the COVID negative test report. The important point to be noted is one cannot do the online check-in because of the COVID restrictions. So it is necessary you need to go to the airport and get the boarding pass and the seat number. So I suggest you to fill the Air Suvidha form as soon as you get the boarding pass at the airport. The next important thing is quarantine rules. Quarantine rules differ for each destination. In Bengaluru, one has to undergo RT-PCR COVID test once you land at the airport. even though if you have a COVID negative test report from the UK, and this test costs 1200 rupees, and you may have to wait till you get your test report. If you get a COVID negative test report at the Bangalore airport, you can go home and you have to home quarantine for 14 days. I hope this information is useful to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will be posting some more videos of my travel from Newcastle to Bengaluru in the upcoming days. Please do watch it.